How to replace a Delta Faucet cartridge. If you have a Delta faucet, replacing a dripping cartridge is an easy DIY fix. Here's how to do it. Tools and materials. Replacement cartridge, Delta RP19804, or check your model for the correct part number. Flat tool, small flathead screwdriver or soldering pick to pop off the cap. Phillips screwdriver to remove the handle screw. Strap wrench, optional, for loosening a stuck retaining ring. Small towel or rag for any water that drips out when removing the old cartridge. Owner's manual or Delta's cartridge lookup tool, link in description, to confirm the right cartridge for your faucet model. Welcome back to Plumbing Fix USA, your go-to channel for real fixes, real tools, and real results. Step 1. Shut off the water. Find your home's main water shutoff valve, mine's just outside, and turn it off. This keeps water from spraying everywhere once you open up the faucet. Step 2. Remove the cap. Pop off the small cap on the handle using a flat tool. I used a soldering tool, but anything flat will work. Link to the tool I used is in the description. Step 3. Remove the handle. Unscrew the middle screw with a Phillips screwdriver, then pull the handle straight off. Step 4. Remove the housing and retaining ring. Pull off the housing that covers the cartridge, then twist off the retaining ring. If it's stuck, a strap wrench makes this easier, link in the description. Step 5. Pull out the old cartridge. Wiggle the cartridge and pull it straight out. A little water may leak out here. That's normal. Step 6. Get the replacement cartridge. The replacement I used is the RP19804, but yours might be different. Check your owner's manual or Delta's website. They have a tool to match your cartridge to the right replacement. Step 7. Install the new cartridge. Line up the HEN hot marking with the hot side, left, and the cold side goes on the right. The cartridge has grooves that only let it fit one way, so push it in until it's snug. Step 8. Reassemble. Twist the retaining ring back on until snug. Replace the housing. Reattach the handle. It only fits one way. Wiggle it until it seats. Reinsert the screw. Snap the cap back on, lining up its groove with the matching groove on the handle, the same way it came off. Step 9. Turn the water back on. Don't skip this. Trust me. Your family will let you know if you forget. That's it. You're done. If this helped, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one. That's it for today's fix. If this saved you some money and stress, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next repair. Got a plumbing question? Drop it below. I read every comment. This has been Plumbing Fix USA. Stay dry, and I'll catch you in the next one.